In this tutorial, we are building a journey. So when a new form is submitted via Typeform, a ticket will be generated on Freshservice. So let's start. Select Typeform as trigger. Then choose New Response Form as trigger event. Click on the existing connection and click on Link an Account. Now select the appropriate form. Now in steps, we have to create a ticket in Freshservice. Select Freshservice in steps. Next, choose Create Ticket as an action. Again, select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Add fields using Typeform app data. Select priorities, status, and source. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. To check the output, let's go to Typeform. Fill the form with appropriate details. Then click on Submit to submit the form. Next, go to Journey to check the journey execution. Yes, it is executed successfully. Now let's go to Freshservice. We can see a new ticket has been created on Freshservice with the details of the form. So in this way, we can create an automation journey to generate Freshservice ticket when a new Typeform is submitted. I hope you liked this video. To know more and help in creating automation journeys, visit quickwork.com.